Hi everybody, George Fokas from Fokas Beyond. Welcome. Let me show you how quick we can go into the market and we can make money while we are enjoying ourselves. Here I am in my balcony in Greece over summer while it's winter in Australia. It is Wednesday the 18th of June. It is 2:12 a.m. in Sydney. It is currently 7:12 p.m. here in Greece. And this is a live account. You can sort of see the numbers moving. The market is open in the US. I don't usually place trades while the market is open, but I want to show you how long does it take to go into the market and make money while everybody else says, garbage, George, you can't make money, you're not making money, all this shit. Excuse my language. But let me show you how it's done. First and foremost, I go to my trade page. Step number one, I've got to put in the stock code. And yes, now the system and the screen is blurry because this is a live account and the markets are live. And this is purely for trading purposes. But I just want to show you and look at how quick and how long it takes to go into the markets. So I click on Strategy Builder, step number 2. I add the stock to the strategy. And I'm going to do a contract till next Friday. And I'm going to do a contract for $38.50. And I'm going to select the contract. Now I've got to work out what am I going to buy the stock for. 38.45 minus, let's go 106, 37.39. So I'm going to do 10 of these, which is about 40 grand in the market. And we're going to select 37.39 and I'll put that in and I click transmit and it says I'm buying 1,000 of these shares, selling 10 contracts, 37 grand going into the market US, place the trade. Let's see how long it takes for that order to go into the market and the order is filled. It's as simple as that. Down the bottom, I'll take a screenshot of that while I'm here just so I can prove it. Down the bottom, the order's gone in. Let me just share with you now how quick that went in and how much money I've made. Okay. And $1.07. I got $1.07 on a 38.46. Sorry, my apologies. Let me work this out. Let me open these up. Okay. I bought the stock for 38.46 and I got $1.07 income. So $1.07, I'm just doing $1.07 divided by the investment of 38.46 as a percent. I've just done 2.78% for 9 days. Today's Wednesday, my apologies. It's Wednesday. And the order goes till next Friday. So Wednesday the 18th up until the 27th, 9 days. 9 days, I've done 2.7. So basically $1,070 on a $38,000 investment. You work it out how long that took while I'm enjoying this view. And most people work for their money. If you learn how to click buttons, you'll learn how to make money work for you. Passive income exceeding active income. It's as quick as that. That's how long it takes for us to go into the market and make money. Yes, there's a learning process. Yes, we have to go in there and understand how to do this. But the physical action to do it is as quick as you've just seen. In less than 2 minutes, I've made $1,000 on a 38 grand investment. Now, if I had $380,000, I've just done this for training purposes and just put 38 grand in. But if I put 380 grand in, I would have made 10 grand for 9 days on a 380 grand investment. Now, when you think about what property pays on a 380 grand investment per week or per month, I've just done $1,000 or $10,000 on that investment for 9 days. Thanks for watching. If you want to learn more and you want to understand how to make your money work for you, passive income exceeding active income, you've got to click the link and you've got to sit and listen. I run workshops all around the world teaching people how to make money work for them. You can be skeptical, you can be cynical. That's up to you. But if you sit and you listen and you give me your time, you will learn a strategy that banks and stockbrokers have been implementing since 1973. A strategy that's been in the market for over 5 decades. A strategy that's been proven in the market for over 5 decades. Slow and steady wins the race. This is not a sprint sport, but you've got to be in it to win it. And if you want to learn how to start making your money work for you. Now, again, listen to this. If you had $3,800, you would have made $107. So the more zeros we put in, the more zeros we pull out. But you've got to start somewhere. You're working for your money. People are sick and tired of being sick and tired. There is a better way if you're willing to learn. You can sit and listen to me, join my workshop and my masterclass. It goes for about 3 hours and I explain step by step the process. That's up to you if you want to listen and learn, or You can just basically say BS George, but let me tell you, whether you believe it or not, the facts are real, the trading statement is real, and the figures are in my trading account, in the live account as the market's trading. So in less than 4 minutes, I've explained this to you and you've seen me make money and click the buttons. The choice is yours what you want to do. Whether you stay in the rat race or you learn to make your money work for you. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you on the inside. If you are interested, click on the link, register to my upcoming masterclass, and learn how to start making your money work for you. Take care, and thanks for watching. God bless. Bye.